వచ్చింది సార్. ఏం ఫుల్ okay. Plasma membrane. In last classes, we discussed about some topics of plasma membrane. One important activity, that is to observe the movement of water in living organism or movement of water in plant. In last activity actually Kismet was taken for this activity. Actually, Kismet means dry grapes. Means here plant pots. It is actually plant pots. Okay, now let us discuss another activity to observe the movement of water in organism or plant. Okay, yes. What is the aim of this activity? What is the aim? To observe the movement of water or osmosis process in plant. Okay, yes, observe materials required for this activity. Materials required for this activity are potato, raw potato and boiled potato. Next, beaker, next, a sharp knife, sugar solution, tap water or normal water. Pin, petri dish, these are important materials required for this activity. Now, let us study procedure for this activity. In procedure, first we have to take raw potato. What? We have to take raw potato. First one. Then we have to remove the outer skin or outer membrane. It is also called as periderm. Observe carefully. We have to remove the outer skin or outer membrane or periderm. It is actually brown in color. It is actually brown in color. This is the second step in procedure. Okay, then you have to cut the cube-shaped cup-like structure. Okay, cube-shaped depression in potato. Okay, for example, imagine this is a potato. Observe. Potato. Then how to remove the upper periderm, brown color membrane. Then you have to for example, imagine this potato. Here you have to cut the cube-shaped cup-like structure in this potato. Observe carefully. Like this. A small cup-like structure, cube-shaped cup-like structure. Or cup. Like this. Then, listen carefully. Then, you have to prepare the, listen carefully here. You have to prepare sugar solution. What? Sugar solution. How can you prepare the sugar solution? First, you have to take some water into a beaker. Some water in a beaker like this. Imagine this is a beaker. Then you have to pour some amount of water in this beaker like this. Next, you have to add the sugar. After adding sugar, you have to stir the entire mixture to dissolve the sugar in water. After stirring process, you can get the sugar solution. Like this, by using this procedure, you have to prepare the sugar solution. Are you understanding? Next step is Next, now how to take petri dish. Observe carefully. Like this. Petri dish. Now, you have to pour water in this beaker. Like this. Next step is, listen carefully. Next step is, now we have to pour the sugar solution in cup of the potato. Already we cut cube shaped cup in potato. Now you have to pour the sugar solution in that cup or cube shaped cup. Okay, for example, imagine it is a potato with cube shaped cup. Like this. Now you have to pour the sugar solution. Observe, this is sugar solution. What? Sugar solution. Listen carefully. After pouring the sugar solution into the cup of the potato, you have to place the potato having the sugar solution in beaker containing the water. Okay, beaker containing water means like this. Observe. Okay, observe carefully. Like this, you have to arrange all the operator or all the materials. This is the beaker containing the water. Here, potato with sugar solution means high concentrated solution. Now you have to mark the level of the sugar solution present in cup of the potato by pin. By pin. Like observe. Then keep the entire this operator or arrangement for some time. Approximately 1 hour. Okay. After 1 hour, we can observe here increased level of the sugar solution in cup of the potato. Observe what will happen here. What will happen? Observe. Water means low concentrated solution. Tap water. In tap water means concentration is here low. Sugar solution means here concentration is high when compared to the tap water. Observe carefully. Sugar solution means high concentration. Sugar solution has high concentration than tap water. Tap water has low concentration when compared to the sugar solution. Here concentration gradient was created here. In this situation, in this condition, osmosis process takes place. Already I told you, osmosis means movement of water from low concentration to high concentration. Observe in this operator, we can observe here water has a low concentration, sugar solution has high concentration. That is why water moves from the low concentrated solution into the high concentrated solution. Which is the low concentrated solution here? Tap water. Which is high concentrated solution? Sugar solution. That is why from the beaker, water moves into the cells of the potato first. Water moves into the cells of the potato. From the cells of the potato, water is moved into the high concentrated sugar solution. Understanding? High concentrated sugar solution. Observe carefully. Means into the cell. First here water is moving into the cell. Already I told you. If osmosis process takes place or if movement of water is moved into the cells from the external environment, it is called endoosmosis. What? Endoosmosis. Movement of water into the cell. Observe. Ultimately means this is the movement of the water. Observe, as water is entered into the sugar solution from the Tetrady or any other beaker, inside of the sugar solution, water content is increased, or water percentage or water concentration is increased. Understanding? Whenever water is entered into the sugar solution, level of the sugar solution is also increased. Level of the sugar solution is also increased. Observe carefully. For example, here, this is the increased level of solution. Increased level of solution. This is the first level. This is the first level of the sugar solution. Now this is the increased level. Increased level of sugar solution. Observe carefully. Why this sugar solution? Why sugar solution increased in cup of the potato? Why means water has entered into the sugar solution from the beaker or from the petri dish. Which process occurred here? Endo-osmosis process. Listen carefully. Endo-osmosis process was taken place in this situation. That is why level of the sugar solution has increased in cup of the potato. Okay. Observe one. This is the first level. This is the second level. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Listen, this is here endo-osmosis process. What? Endo-osmosis. Here in these experiments, we can observe water moves towards the high concentration. Water moves towards the high concentration because of endo-osmosis here. Okay, now this is the first experiment. Now you have to take another beaker. You have to take like these petri dish. You have to take petri dish or beaker. Then how to pour? Listen carefully. How to pour? Sugar solution sugar solution into the beaker or petri. This is tap water. Here, sugar solution. Now this is sugar solution now you have to take another potato and how to cut the potato or cut a cube shaped cup in that potato. Then you have to pour some tap water in cup of the potato. Okay, after that you have to place the entire potato with water, tap water in cup of the potato or in cup in beaker containing the sugar solution like this. In beaker containing the in petri dish containing the sugar solution. Observe water. Now you have to mark the level of water in cup of the potato. By fixing the pin. Okay, now this is the first level. This is the first level of the water in cup. Okay, now you have to keep this or you have to leave the entire this apparatus or entire this arrangement for some time, approximately for example 1 hour. Here what will happen? Sugar solution. Here water. Just water there. Here sugar solution. That tap water. Sugar solution means it has high concentration than water. Water has the low concentration than sugar solution. Here also concentration gradient is there. If there is concentration gradient, water can move from low concentrated area or low concentrated solution into the high concentrated solution. Observe here what will happen? osmosis process takes place here also, because there is concentration gradient. That is why osmosis process takes place. From low concentration, water moves into the high concentrated solution. Observe carefully. First here, from the cup or water present in cup, water molecules move into the cells of the potato. Then from cells of the potato, they are transported into the high concentrated sugar solution. High concentrated sugar solution. Whenever water molecules move from the water present in cup of the potato, level of the water in the cup level is decreased. Understanding? Level decreases. Observe, this is the first level of water. After osmosis process, we can observe decreased level of the water in cup. For example, this level. This is second level. That is the first level. Here, second level. Observe carefully. Here, exo-osmosis process takes place. Which type of osmosis here? Exo-osmosis process. Exo-osmosis means movement of water molecules from the cell towards the outside, or into the outside environment, or into the outside solution. Observe here, water has moved into the sugar solution present in the beaker or petri dish from the water present in cup of the potato. Are you understanding? Here exo-osmosis, here endo-osmosis. Means in this situation, water has moved towards the high concentrated solution. Water has moved towards the high concentrated solution from the low concentrated solution. Based on these two activities, we can define the osmosis process as process of movement of water from low concentration or low concentrated solution to high concentrated solution. Through plasma membrane. Through plasma membrane. It is called osmosis process. It is called osmosis process. This important activity. Remember, what is the aim of this activity? To observe the movement of water or osmosis process by using the potato. By using the potato. This is important activity. Observe one. Yes. Next. Next, let us do another activity. Now, what is the aim of this activity here? Aim of activity is to observe the movement or to observe the functioning of the plasma membrane. Okay, to observe the functioning or to observe the filtration process. Filtration. Okay, now the materials required. Beaker, next funnel, stone, retort stone, next rice or wheat flour, rice or wheat flour. Next tincture iodine, 500 ml water bottle, cotton cloth, observe. These are important materials required for this activity. Okay, knife, it is also used in this activity. It is also used in activity. Okay, now let us discuss about procedure. There are two types of filtration processes: conventional method of filtration, next alternative method of filtration. What? Conventional method, conventional method. Next to alternative method. These are two types of filtration process. First, let us study about the conventional method of filtration. Now, first you have to prepare the solution. Or first you have to take 100 ml of water or some water, 100 ml water. Then add a teaspoonful of rice powder or rice flour or wheat flour for each 100 ml of water. If we take 100 ml of water, then we have to add 1 teaspoonful of rice flour or wheat flour. Like this, for each 100 ml of water or every 100 ml of water, you have to add a teaspoonful of rice flour or wheat flour. Okay. Now, like this, you have to prepare the right solution or solution. Okay. Then you have to arrange the operator, all operator. First, you have to take this turn